Now, having read that, I want you guys to reflect on why you think it was written. For author's purpose, there's usually three main possibilities, and those are persuade, entertain, and inform. We're going to go over those a little bit more later. I want to show you this basic author's purpose definition and graphic organizer first. So let's look at the definition. The author's purpose is the reason why an author writes a selection. So we always have reasons for doing things, right? So we wash our hands because we want to make our hands clean. Well, authors do the same thing. They write something for the purpose of accomplishing something else. So this story talked a lot about people and helpers and how they help you and all those kinds of things. So I want you to think about that. And let's look at the organizer over here. We have two boxes for two clues, and we have the author's purpose at the bottom. Okay. So going through the story, you can see that there are many examples of people helping other people, mostly kids, right? Because that's what we are, or that's what you are. I'm not a kid anymore, I wish. But it's older adults helping people do something, or kids. So the first clue that we used was families love you and teachers help you learn. Those were 2 pages in our story. Let me find those pages here. Here's our teacher page, and it talks about how teachers help us learn. And here's the family page where it talks about parents, brothers, and sisters helping you learn and loving you and helping you all the time. So I use the evidence on page 251, which says families love you and teachers help you learn. I use that as my first clue. Those are two different groups of people that help us all the time. Now, if I continue down page 251, it says doctors, nurses, and safety helpers help you keep healthy and safe. So that could be another clue that we could use because these are different groups of people that help you do something else. They help you stay healthy and safe, while teachers and families help you learn and love you. So that's a different category. I could list that over here on clue 2. So these are two different groups that help you do two different types of things. Well, I guess really more because they help you do two things and they help you do two things, but just generally. So putting them together, if I read families love you and teachers help you learn, doctors, nurses, and safety helpers keep you healthy and safe, the purpose of including this information is to tell the reader that there are many people helping you in many ways. That's the author's purpose. That's the reason why he wrote this story. Okay? We'll go over that a little bit more. I know it's kind of hard to grasp, and this is the first time we're talking about it, but that's the reason why it was written. Okay? It's called the author's purpose. All right, good work.